Welcome to the glowworm chamber.
Whoa!
Holy crap.
That is crazy. Dude, this does not look like it's Earth.
All of the lights you see here are actually created by tiny bioluminescent glowworms.
That kind of looks like the Milky Way galaxy. Wow. At this moment, this view honestly made that trek worth it.
While making it to the glowworms was definitely worth the trip, our journey was still not over because we had to go all the way back to base camp.
It's almost day 6. They're not back, and I'm exhausted. I don't know if I'll be able to sleep, though. Just worried with them being gone so long.
The trip back is way easier because we're just floating with the current.
Now, because you guys have already seen the trip, we're going to expedite the way back. But seriously, this whole journey took so long.